in. So there is violence within homes, there is violence outside on the street, which is what they're reflecting. But I also will go on to add this, that despite that I still think of them as rational thinking beings. Decision making उन्होंने करनी है. It's not enough to say जी हमारे माँ बाप नहीं रोल मॉडल ठीक थे इसलिए तुम भी तो सोच सकते हो. So मैं खिलाफ नहीं उनके बोल रही, but somewhere we need to understand that we should not treat them as only as victims. Although it's a fact that they do grow up in an environment which may foster a tolerance to violence, because we hear, especially in Punjab, people saying, why Punjab, in most cultures, लड़के ने violence कर दी तो क्या हुआ, कुड़ी कुछ कर रहा है तो प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, पर मुंडे तक कर दे ही नहीं. You see, when you say that, you are saying it's justified, it's legitimate. चलता है. Not only, it's a sign of machoism.
Of course.
कि अतः मुंडे दा sign है, जवान मुंडे दा क्या करेगा. Apart from that, the reasons can be economic, they can be governance related, which already has been mentioned, and of course socio-cultural. Economically, it could be deprivation. गरीब बंदा कर सकता, unemployed, frustration. Relative deprivation, which means I'm not deprived, but I feel कि मेरे तो ज़्यादा उधर कोल है, ज़्यादा crime और violence उस करके भी हो रहा है. And then there is abundance, and ना है कि उनकी करो बोर हो गए हैं, कुछ तो करिए. पर पहले भी होता सी. You see, what people used to do was what we used to call joyride, कि किसी दी कार चुक के दौड़ गए, जिथे पेट्रोल खत्म होया उत्थे रोकती. It was not a good thing to do. It was, yet it didn't harm anybody as such. हुन है कि मैं वेला बैठा सी की करदा इस करके violence करनी शुरू करती. I know of a case in America where a girl was raped, and they asked these 4 boys later on, and raped and beaten brutally. सवेरे सवेरे 5 बजे. They said, क्यों तुसी ये कीता है? मतलब you don't know the girl. कहते से पार्टी करके ऐसे राती वेले खड़े सी कि बोर हो रहे हैं, सामने आ रही सी. Now what do you do with that? Something is wrong with the whole setup. System, and for me it's breakdown of the communal institutions. Family, school, church, I mean religious places, neighborhood. Communal institutions are broken down. We are not doing our job. It's our failure, it's not their failure. We have failed.
Dr. Kaushal, I mean, is it really failure of the adults, of we as parents and as institutions, as ma'am has just mentioned?
I fully agree with ma'am Sherry, and definitely it is something to do with the wrong parenting, as I said earlier also.
And also,
it is also the collapse of the joint family system. When we are talking of the wrong parenting, somehow or the other, these nuclear families which are coming into being, they are also responsible. Earlier days, there used to be grandparents who used to be always available to a child, and at the same time, they were always there to take care and to tell them the stories. हम कहते थे ना, जैसे रामचंद्र जी की कहानी सुनाओ बच्चे को, and those were the stories which somehow or the other could have an impact on the psyche of the child. At that stage, just the story of Ram, the valiant Ramchandra ji, and the sacrifice that Sita made for Ramchandra ji, those stories somewhere laid the seeds of patience, sacrifice, and the child, they grew up with them. But these days, now as I told you, parents are busy, grandparents aren't there, and when they go to the schools, even there is a disgusted teacher who is not being paid well. She is there to teach. She's got her problems. She has her own problems.
एक और प्रॉब्लम है कि आपने वो बोला कि उनको हम कहानी सुनाते थे, आज भी सुना देंगे आप कहानी, लेकिन साथ में कंपटीशन भी सिखा रहे हैं.
Competition.
Sacrifice और competition इकट्ठे कैसे जाएंगे?
The point is, so far schools are concerned, since I am dealing for last 30 years the school system. See, schools basically, ideally, are social institutions. But again, it's the system. It's not the parents, it's not the school, it's not the media, it's not the government, it's all put together. Like, what are schools? Schools are social institutions. We cannot disown the responsibility of setting, if the child has learned some wrong values at home, to not. School has the authority to undo that conflict, resolve the conflict for the child, and inculcate the values in the child. But what happens? Schools are not social institutions. What are schools? Schools are laboratories to design to translate the parents' ambitions into reality.
Into reality.
Yeah, I think that's a valid point. Yes.
That child gets 90%,
Yeah.
child gets this, and more designer school to produce more 90 plus
Yeah.
is the better school.
Yeah.
ਨੰਬਰਾਂ ਦੇ
competition.
ਇਸ ਦੌੜ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੰਬਰਾਂ ਦੀ
Competitive.
Yes,
Basically, ma'am,
please go
it
ahead.
starts from the family. Like the students are not brought up in the family environment. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਮ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਕੋਈ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, they are sent to the hostels.
Acha.
ਉੱਥੇ ਮੈਮ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, they get depressed because
miss
no
them?
proper care has been
No
taken.
proper care. Okay. And also ਵਿਹਲੇ ਵੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋ.
Yes, ma'am.
There's nothing to do.
Yes.
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ good sporting
company, like-
environment. Yes. ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ.
I fully agree with ma'am when she says that the schools can definitely make a markable change, tangible change in the behavior of the child, even if the family hasn't done well. But the problem lies with the fact that the schools are also not doing their job well. That is why
But
they are
ma'am,
making
if ma'am
Yeah,
school does a job, then ma'am parents students ਨਾਲ ਖੜਦੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ
ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ
ਲੈ
ਏਦਾਂ
ਕੇ
ਕਿਉਂ
कैसे
ਕੀਤਾ?
करा.
Ma'am, that's a
ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦ
That is why there was a talk of the moral education being taught at the school
moral
level.
science ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ
Subject
ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ
ਹੁੰਦਾ
and we also used to make fun of it, you know, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ I'm very sure कि मैं क्लास टीचर when I teach Gandhi I always have a reverent tone when I teach Gandhi, although I'm otherwise a very irreverent person and I've noticed that in my class when I start talking and in the beginning they would start laughing and you know the Gandhi jab shuru hui hai or anybody who's done something for the country, for the community, so I now start by saying कि I know तुम्हें boring लगेगा लेकिन सोचो बैठ के कम से कम think about these people what they've done for
What
the
they have done
society.
for the-
सिर्फ सोचो और मैं आपको कहती नहीं हूँ करो, हम सोचने पे तो मजबूर कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
एक भी स्टूडेंट को अगर मैंने सोचने पे मजबूर कर दिया and that student says to me and it has happened once, so I always say that's my one success in life. One girl came up to me and said जब से मैंने मीडिया वाला पेपर आपका किया है मैं अब टेलीविजन नहीं एंजॉय कर पाती क्योंकि I'm always criticizing what's happening. I'm saying ये क्या दिखा रहे हैं, ये किस तरह से शो कर रहे हैं, values क्या दिखा रहे हैं, whatever, and she said I've stopped enjoying my television and I'm miserable. So I said I'm happy because I've made you miserable. That was my job. And I made that
start
person.
think, yeah.
To say something on the positive note is that fine, as we already discussed, that our society as a whole globally, you know, because of this technological advance and everything that we have discussed so far has gone through the transitional phase and we have reached a point where certain things good have come out
Yeah.
and certain things like the problem we are discussing has come out. It happens in Sagar Manthan, right? But something very positive that is happening that we have started thinking. Our policy makers have started thinking. The school education system is being changed. For example, now the more thrust is on just the exam oriented and marks oriented examination
yeah.
to continuous comprehensive evaluation, that is personality building, developing interests of the children, identifying their strengths and building on them.
You know, but when you say all this, which is nice, but you know that whole change has to come in from your teachers, from the head. It has to percolate down. I mean, because they're not
Definitely,
used to
yeah,
that.
definitely.
They
Unless we
rather
do-
just teach and be off. You know.
But then beginning has been made.
made. Ma'am,
So
it's all
if
right.
anybody does in the true spirit of it, once it starts, then it will start replicating.
Yeah.
I hope.
Will it happen in the
Yeah.
villages क्योंकि you know we are very urban in our orientation ਅਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਗੱਲ
Yes,
ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ.
yes, yes.
मैं ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ that I want to ask him this question. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਕੀ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮੈਮ।
ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਮੈਡਮ ਨੇ ਕਰ ਹੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਦਾ.
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋਗੇ ਕੀ ਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਹੈ, what is that missing element ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ
ਮੈਂ-
ਸਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ, ਐਡਲਟਸ ਤੋਂ, ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਤੋਂ, ਟੀਚਰਸ
Yes.
ਤੋਂ.
ਯੈਸ ਮੈਮ, ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਮ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ 'ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਤੋਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਕੇਅਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੀ.
Yes.
ਸਕੂਲ 'ਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਮੈਮ, ਟੀਚਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੋਰਲੀ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਹੈ, ਮਾਰਕਸ ਲਓ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧੋ ਆਪਣਾ. ਉੱਥੇ ਮੈਮ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਕੀ ਬੁਰਾ ਹੈ, ਬਸ ਸਿਰਫ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਲਓ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧੋ ਆਪਣਾ.
and ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਾਲਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਦੋਂ ਥਾਈ
ਮੈਮ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਲੈਕਚਰਸ ਕੋਲ ਇੰਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਕਿਸੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਕਾਲਜਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਾਂ.
And I think a lot of free time. By the time actually when they have to focus their energy onto something, there's nothing happening.
What I'm saying
But
is,
as ma'am said, there is always a positive side to it, that at least we are here to discuss the issue. It means something needs to be done.
yeah.
And we can't be saying that nothing has been done so far.
Yeah.
There is already a huge talk that has been done. That is why many of the even technical institutions, they are coming up with courses on human values. I am working in an institution which is affiliated with the Punjab Technical University, and even that has come up with a course on human values. And the very fact that we are going to introduce the course, it means there are two things to it. It means firstly that we realize the problem, that there is a problem, and then secondly something needs to be done for it, and then the workshops and all these things are being done to even train the teachers that this is the need of the hour. It is not just that it is the academic excellence that you are aiming at, but we rather want good human beings. If in case there is somebody who is so disgruntled, can never deliver the goods properly. So you have to have a complete understanding of what exactly you need from your life. And for that, such value system can be restored back if firstly parents, grandparents, teachers, everybody does his or her job.
Yeah, that's very well said. Jasminder, what about you? Your last few words on this. कि थानू लगदा है कि हुन कोई change आ रही है कि ऐसी कुछ हुन मतलब जब तुसी आप ही जब बच्चे आपस ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਵਾਇਲੈਂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਗਲਤ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਮੈਮ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਦੋਂ ਐਸੇ ਏਜ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੀ ਗਲਤ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਈਗੋ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਈਗੋ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਹਟ ਹੋਈ
So
the ego is
very
is put,
very
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, true.
So here I would like to add that again, counseling
Is important.
cells in the
Counseling is
schools
very,
and
very
colleges
important.
is very, very important.
Okay, ma'am, last words.
I would, she used the word counseling, which is part of that. I would simply say we must redefine the term education also now, na?
Yeah.
Or it is, क्योंकि अभी एक बड़ी अच्छी बात कही गई ह्यूमन वैल्यूज पे कोर्स है, पर कोर्स करके बंदा नहीं बदलना है, मेरे हिसाब नाल तो नहीं बदलूगा।
ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਮ ਕੋਰਸ ਵੀ ਮੈਮ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਮ ਨਵਾਂ ਕੋਰਸ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੈ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਮਐਨ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਮ ਸੀਟਸ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਫਿਲ ਹੋਈਆਂ 18 ਸੀਟਸ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਫਿਲ ਹੋਈਆਂ
ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਨੀ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਸਮੈਸਟਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਾਸ ਕਰ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਯੂ نو ਦੇ ਕਮ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਟੱਚ ਦ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਫੀਟ ਇਨ ਦ ਬਿਗਨਿੰਗ when they come from villages ਉਹੀ ਇੱਕ 3 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦੇ ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਸ ਬੱਚੇ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਚੇਂਜ ਦੇਖਨੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਾਂਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਮਾਡਰਨ ਬੱਚਾ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਵੀ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਉਹ which is fine ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਉਹ ਪੈਰ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਹੈਲੋ ਮੈਡਮ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਐਂਡ I have a feeling और नु blame क्यों कर रहे हैं? I am responsible. मेरी कोई गलती होनी है क्यों नहीं हुंचुंदा पैर आके?
Yeah.
That is why I started telling them कि अदरा सस्रीकाल कर मेरे
The child is
I will have to
the
close.
concept of modernity.
And I think we are also party to it because we're not giving them any clarity.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for being with us. Well, the message is loud and clear. Youngsters need to be heard, not silenced. The angst is that if how one describes it needs to be understood and channelized. If the young are restless, that is fine. If they are restive, that is a matter of great concern. That's all that we have on our Prime Debate. See you again on Monday with another topic. Till then, it's goodbye.